Just a quick one, guys. I've been using this vehicle today and I was driving down the road and it was making a real humming noise and vibrating through the steering, and I thought, maybe we've got a wheel bearing out. So I got out to check, and I've noticed, although both front tyres have got good tread on, they are both odd. It's really important, especially on four-wheel drives, to make sure the tyres are matching on each axle. If you don't, this can give you a real drumming noise and humming noise, almost like you've got a wheel bearing that's gone. Just a quick tip for you guys: make sure your treads on the tyres are matching on each axle, or you will get a drumming noise. It's enough to drive you mad.